Hi, yeah, my name is Valkyrie. I am one of the moderators of Real Deal Guild and co-founder of Wenpal DAO and Web3 Iloilo. The most part ng Web3 na bullish ako would be GameFi. Yan, yung mga games na nasa Web3, lalo na sa blockchain ng Ron and yung mga talagang games, top games right now. Since it's mas madali siyang lakayin, mas madali siyang maintindihan and mas madaling ma-onboard yung masses sa mga ganong games. And for me, advice dun sa mga gustong mag-start pa lang ng journey sa Web3, go for the free education. Huwag muna kayong mag-invest. You need to learn muna. Do your own research. You can ask our community. You can join our community, ask our community. You can also join Web3 TV community. You can ask that questions para hindi masayang investment nyo. So, learn muna and then you can go do free airdrops. Madami dyan, madami nagbibigay ng ganong education for you to start. And pag may, meron ka ng enough na pera to invest, then that's the time that you can invest. Yan lang naman po. Salamat!